What the hell was he doing on an electric bike without a helmet, but on an electric bike anyway? When you see people having accidents so many times, if he's got this vulnerable knee
this picture. I mean,
an ongoing
it's the
issue.
girlfriend on the back.
Look, it's just insanity. And I know, look, he's a boy. He hasn't grown up, for God's sake. You'd think he would by now, but I mean, she should have said to him, mate, you're about to do a major tennis court tournament. You've been struggling with knee issues. What the hell are you thinking? So,
she falls off that bike backwards and hits her head on the road.
Exactly. It's just so dangerous. And he's supposed to be a role model. Now, we know he's a questionable role model anyway, but certainly in this case. But I do feel sorry for him. But for God's sake, grow up, mate. You know, I don't know what he can do about the guy.
Caroline, he's broken 2 rules. The Victorian Highway Patrol are now apparently going to get in touch with Tennis Australia and ask him what the hell he was doing. But Prue makes a very good point. If he had a dodgy knee anyway, what's he doing on a scooter?
Yeah, that wasn't a great life decision for a whole number of reasons. But the fact of the matter is, if those rules are there for the rest of us, well, then they should apply equally to him, whether he is a professional sports player or not. And unfortunately, in the past, our professional sports players haven't been held account enough for their behaviour. And so we just get more poor behaviour stemming from that. So, yeah, well, if anyone else will cop it, so should he.
Yeah, well, the problem is it sets such a bad... I know, Kyrgios shouldn't be a role model, but it sets such a bad example. Those scooters are everywhere in Melbourne, and you constantly see young people, you know, on them without helmets doing that.
And crashing into other people. I don't know why they were approved. I think they're appalling. You see them, you're dodging it as a pedestrian, even in Sydney now, and there aren't that many. But I'm telling you, I think whoever's making the fast back out of that, I don't know what the government's getting out of it, but it should never have been approved.
Agree 100%. Yeah. Caroline, thank you very much. Prue, thanks for coming in.